believe it! This protects sent me a birthday package. Birthday cards, smoke orbs, and tattoos. Hey guys, today we're doing a review of the Nest Protect smoke alarms that have the 3 technologies, the smoke alarms, and the tattoos over there, which we're going to show you later. And the Nest Protect app on my iPad, which we're going to show you later as well. Now I want to open this black one first. Okay. Put this one. Whoa, look at this black guy. Can someone help me get this thing out? And now can I pull up the tab? Why is it not doing it?
Hi from Nest.
Hola, saludos de Nest.
Press the button now for English. Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. Cancelled.
That's one feature I like about it.
Ready. Press to test. Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide.
That wasn't so bad. Well, now the next step we're going to do is put tape on this.
The test is finished. Everything looks good.
Is this the lid? Hey guys, we already got the test app going in. We're going to test this white Nest Protect smoke alarm from it. So let me show you how that works right now. I think this is the one. Oh no, there's that button. Now let's go it. It's going. So we see. That Protect doesn't know it's going to be set it off.
Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Just a moment.
Well, that went smoothly. Right. Let's do that again. That's the coolest thing ever. Okay? Well, I'm starting it again.
Testing smoke.
It's running smoothly, guys.
Testing carbon monoxide.
I like it. Now I can see both these smoke alarms and decks, and now I'll tell you the feature. It tells you when there's a fire at your house and you're not at your house, and it also tells you when there's a fire so you know when to get out. It also tells you where the fire is so you don't have to follow the smoke or go where the beeping's coming from. So the dual sensors check smoldering fires and fast-fading fires. These are the best smoke alarms in the world. Well, this is the one Dee Dee's gonna hang up in my room. Not this white one. It's going in my collection. See you later! The smoke detector. I got a smoke detector.